Take your scattering effects to new heights in Blender with FlexiScatterPro. This powerful tool offers advanced targeting options in form of flexible selections, customizable density and distribution settings, live preview integration, realistic object boundary detection to prevent overlaps, and more. Streamline your workflow, save time, and elevate the quality of your projects today with FlexiScatter Pro, the essential add-on for Blender. Install the add-on, click on Edit, then Preferences. In Add-ons tab, click the arrow pointing down and click Install from Disk. Close the window, press N to open side pane, and click on FlexiScatter Pro button. Within the add-on, select the desired object which will be used to scatter across the target surface. Also, select the target surface object. To be safe, enable density control to reduce the value to around 20. Update the random seed value to see live preview in action. Be sure to enable it prior to this step. Density controls the count of objects being distributed. Random seed randomizes the positions. Use empty proxy option is used for performance purposes. Enable it if you plan to scatter a high amount of objects across the target surface. Disabling live preview prevents any changes made to be visible in the 3D viewport. This may be useful in performance-critical situations as well. Align perpendicular to surface orients the distribution objects to face the normal directions of target surface objects. It is recommended to disable randomized rotation option for this to be most useful. Disabling Align Perpendicular to Surface option nulls all rotations for each individual object that's being distributed. Randomized rotation helps to achieve a more organic rotation among all distributed instances. Each distributed object has a unique rotation compared to another, where the minimum and maximum values are controlled within min and max rotation attributes. Default values can be reset by right-clicking the value of choice and then choosing Reset to Default Value option. Enable Axis Rotation is a complementary function of Randomized Rotation. It's used for rotation randomization precision because it allows minimum and maximum extents of rotation values to be set on each individual 3D axis, X, Y, and Z. Minimum values dictate the lowest value point at which rotation can take place, whereas maximum is the highest value point. Like randomized rotation, randomized scale works in the same way as former, except it only affects the distribution object scaling. If it's desired to randomize size of each scattered object, this is the right option to use. Individual axis-based scaling is also supported. To apply the scattering, click on the Apply button, or Cancel to erase all progress made. Upon applying, a prompt appears and asks to name the scattered object collection, which on confirmation stores said objects into this collection. Selection for scattering objects and their targets is fully flexible. After target and scatter distribution objects are set into their collections, it's possible to select each receptive collection to scatter object from and to. Sometimes it may be beneficial to simplify the selection process and set one point to be a single object whereas the other remains a collection. Sometimes it may be beneficial to simplify the selection process and set one point to be a single object whereas the other remains a collection. It is also possible to choose the other way around. Next feature is very useful. Prevent overlap does exactly what it shows. It prevents scattered objects from overlapping each other. Sufficient space is provided around each scattered object, making the distribution look tidy. Hopefully this video was useful in some way. Have fun creating!